Hello guys, welcome back to another videos. This model name is Aubrey Hoover. She is a curvy plus size model, fashion model, social media influencer. In her Instagram, she was very popular and famous. This model born and bought in United States along with her parents and siblings. In her Instagram, she generates more than 1 lakh followers, where she uploads her curvy fashion bikini outfit photos and videos. Including her Instagram, she was very popular in the world. Her profession, fashion model and social media influencer. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. Please like, comment, share and don't forget subscribe. Never miss any video. Thank you.